Hello, my name is Paul. I just want to welcome you to our YouTube channel. This channel is predominantly around the CTrader trading platform, but it also covers other trading areas. And you're in here, you'll find videos to help you use our products, how to use the CTrader trading platform, and just trading in general, okay? So there's many videos. I think there's hundreds of videos that you can just scroll through and find out information, and it's all easily accessible. At the same time, if you're not familiar with CTrader, this is the CTrader platform. It's a unique platform created by Spotware. It's very good, it's very slick and fast, and we are a third-party vendor offering products, services, and knowledge base. And I'll go to our website. This is our website, it's ClickAlgo.com. In here, you'll find all of our trading tools. Plus, we've got a wealth of information under the educational channel. So there's everything you need to get going to help you use the CTrader platform. Please subscribe to us on this YouTube channel and watch some of our videos because we're going to be pushing out more videos in the near future. Thank you very much.